U.S. Army Air Defense Artillery provides critical protection to our force and selected geopolitical assets from aerial attack, missile attack, and surveillance. Today, this protection is bound by sets of rules and stovepipe systems. AIAMD is a command and control operating system focused on breaking down these stovepipes by integrating sensors and shooters onto a common mission command system. Using the AIAMD Battle Command System, operators will have access to common track data fused from multiple sensors into a single tactical air picture. AIAMD gives commanders flexibility and scalability in deployment options. They can deploy only what is necessary for the mission and can expand as needed by integrating additional local and remote emplacements. In the near term, a commander can overcome the limitations of using a single system by integrating the Patriot and Sentinel systems, allowing him to generate earlier engagement solutions for air threats behind masked terrain, gaining valuable decision space. Commanders will employ these new capabilities from the Engagement Operations Center. The EOC will be a direct replacement for the Patriot Engagement Control Station and Patriot Information Coordination Central for initial fielding and will eventually replace all other ADA command nodes, such as the THAAD's Fire Control Center. The EOC tent includes 10 workstations, and it hosts the hardware, software, and communications equipment necessary to execute the mission. Development is ongoing for a fully integrated, rigid-walled mobile shelter to streamline system deployment and setup. IBCS includes its own tailored integrated fire control network, broadcast from the EOC and extended through IFCN relays. The EOCs and IFCN relays replace the Patriot's antenna mass group point-to-point communication nodes with a self-healing mesh network that can dynamically adjust to outages in the network, ensuring network integrity. Integrated fire control network relays will be employed across the battlefield and can host standalone sensor and launcher emplacements. AIAMD will enable future capabilities by integrating more sensors and platforms into its open architecture, while also upgrading existing legacy systems. Two upcoming examples include the lower-tier air and missile defense sensor and the Remote Interceptor Guidance 360. LTAMs will replace the Patriot radar to provide 360-degree surveillance to critical assets and will be organically IFCN compatible. The RIG 360 will enable engagements from non-Patriot sensors that are IBCS-enabled, such as Sentinel. The ADA Task Force deploys to theater to provide air and missile defense as a part of multi-domain operations. Using the composition planned during MDMP prior to deployment, the ADA Task Force assumes a steady state of operations, performing track management, engagement planning, engagement decision, engagement monitoring, defense planning, defense design, battle monitor and control, network interface and management, and staff functions from their EOCs. Thanks to the common functionality of all EOCs, both engagement operations and force operations functions execute on the same network, using the same information, creating a shared understanding, providing the staff and commander up-to-the-second updates to combat operations, allowing them to make informed decisions in real time.
Kingpin Legion Track AD-431 Bogey Spades, length 17 meters, birds affirmed, declare.
Legion, seeking words. Track AD-431.
Legion, Barbarian is Gadget Bent. Assume control of its assets.
Roger, sir. Team assume control of Barbarian sensors and launchers.
Affirm. Barton, Kingpin, track AD-431, BCA investigate, bandit cover.
Copy, track AD-431, bandit cover. Legion 6, bandit on scope, no factor.
Roger, Legion, continue to monitor and keep me informed.
Fireball.
Kingpin Legion Fireball, factor acid, birds affirm.
Copy, Fireball factor.
Engagement Coordinator, Air Defense warning red, weapons safe red.
Legion, Kingpin, track AD-431, factor asset, DCA eyeball, hostile, engage.
Engagement Coordinator, track AD-431, hostile engage. Legion bandit track is now hostile engaging. Sir, bandit track is now hostile engaging. Kingpin, Legion, birds away, AD-431 and fireball.
Roger.
Verify missile expenditure and updated missile count. Enemy launch location forwarded to attack operations cell.